Students, I am going to discuss a problem of capacitor. The problem is space between plates of a parallel plate capacitor is filled with three dielectrics. As shown, find capacitance between X and Y. So here are two identical plates, each of area A, and the separation between them is D. The dielectric are filled as shown. Okay. Now, first you can divide this whole dielectric into two parts, and let the capacitance of this one is C1 and this one is C2, and this one is C3 and this one is C4. First you put them these two in series and then these two in series, and then you put them in parallel. Okay, because the potential difference between these and these points and also between this and this point are same, so then you can put them in parallel. So we have to find first C1, C2 and C3, C4. So capacitance C1 is equal to, here the area is A by 2 and separation D by 2, so it will be, and dielectric is of A, that is equal to 3. So it is 3 times epsilon naught A by 2 divided by D by 2. So it becomes 3 times epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Now similarly, this capacitance C2 is equal to 6 times epsilon naught A by 2 divided by D by 2. So it becomes 6 epsilon naught A by D. And for C3 is equal to 12 times epsilon naught A by 2 divided by D by 2. So it will be 12 epsilon naught A by D. And C4 is equal to this, again here this K6, here is also K is equal to 6. So it is 6 times epsilon naught A by 2 upon D by 2. It will be 6 times epsilon naught A by D. Okay, I put the C1 and C2 in series. For C1 and C2 in series, we have C dash is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. So it will be epsilon naught A upon D and 3 and 6, that is equal to 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. So it will be 2 times epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Similarly for C3 and C4, in series, we can write C double dash is equal to C3 C4. So it will be epsilon naught A by D. This will be, here this C3 12 and this 6, 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6. So it will be 4 times epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Now these two in parallel, so put them in parallel. So equivalent capacitance between X and Y, that is equal to Cxy is equal to C dash plus C double dash. So it will be 2 times epsilon naught A by D plus 4 times epsilon naught A by D. It will be 6 times epsilon naught A by D. Okay. Thanks for watching the video.